Sit comfortably and gently close your eyes. Keep your spine erect. Take a breath in with a smile and breathe out with a smile. Just be with whatever is there right now. Be with whatever that is going on in your body and mind. Do not resist anything. Just let go all your efforts and relax. At this moment, nothing to be done. Just relax and repose in yourself. Just see our body is a great gift of Mother Nature. Just see how beautifully all the parts of the body have been created by Mother Nature, being great gift of Mother Nature. Just observe the affinity and love of Mother Nature by providing us food, water, and place to rest. 70% of our body is water element. Water is also known as apa, means love also. Just be with the fire element in the body. This fire element is the generator of energy in our body, just as sun is the generator of energy for the earth. It is our inner light as well as a living symbol of divine fire that burns in every soul. Now let us feel the air around us. Just like fish in water, we are in air. Just see how the air going inside through our nostrils and energizing the body, and the air going out and relaxing the body. Just be with this phenomenon. Now just be with the space in your room where you are sitting. See how the space has engulfed you. The entire creation of God is filled with this love. Each cell of our body loves another cell. Each part of our body loves each other. There is love and affinity in everything in nature. Just be with love and affinity. blessed by the nature. To experience this love and peace, we did not do anything. Just let go of all your efforts and repose in yourself. Acknowledge the love coming from entire creation on this earth. The whole creation on this earth is giving the message of love and affinity in its own way. Just acknowledge the love offered by your parents, your teachers, your husband, wife, children, friends, relatives, colleagues, doctors, vegetable vendors, kirana merchant, agriculturist, everyone around you by offering, by serving you. Let us send our love to the entire universe. Let us pray for everyone around. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय. ओम शांति शांति शांति. Just be with the vibration of the prayer. Now take a deep breath with a smile and breathe out with a smile. Slowly open your eyes. Jai Gurudev.